Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you've been looking for a platform that can handle your email marketing, automate your customer communication, and manage basic CRM tasks all in one place, you've probably come across Brevo. It's been getting a lot of attention lately because it presents itself as a complete communication tool for businesses of all sizes. But the real question is, does it actually work as well as people say? In this video, I'm going to review Brevo from start to finish. So by the end, you'll understand what Brevo is, how it works, who it helps the most, and if it is worth using for your business. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link down below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master that platform step by step. Now, let's get started. Start with the basics. What exactly is Brevo? Brevo, which used to be called Sendinblue, is an all-in-one marketing platform that allows you to send emails, send SMS messages, manage contacts, create automations, build landing pages, and even chat with customers in real time. The main idea behind Brevo is to bring everything related to communication into one place so that you don't need to have 5 different tools running at the same time. If you think about how many tools businesses normally use, such as an email marketing service, a texting tool, a live chat widget, and a CRM, things can get very complicated pretty quick. Brevo tries to simplify all of that by putting everything inside of one dashboard. Now, let's talk about the actual experience using Brevo. When you log in, you will see a very clean, simple dashboard. On the left, there's a menu with sections like Home, CRM, Marketing, Automations, Transactional, Conversations, and Commerce. Now, this layout tends to make it real easy to understand where each feature lives. For example, if you want to send newsletters, you go to marketing. If you want to create automated workflows, you go to automations. If you want to handle contact details, you go to CRM. The homepage also shows helpful information such as your monthly email usage, your total contacts, new contacts added recently, and how many emails you've sent so far. All of this makes Brevo very beginner friendly because it guides you clearly and you never feel like you're getting lost. Now that the interface makes perfect sense, let's move on and break down the key features that you'll be using the most. First off, let's look at email marketing, which really is one of Brevo's strongest features. Brevo has a simple drag and drop editor that lets you design beautiful emails even if you have never created one before. You can choose a template or start from scratch. You can add text, buttons, images, products, and more. Everything updates in real time, so always know exactly what your email will look like for your subscribers. The personalization options are also very helpful. If you collect names during sign up, you can automatically add the subscriber's name inside the subject line or the greeting. This makes your emails feel more personal and usually increases those open rates. Brevo also allows you to segment your contacts, which means you can group people based on their actions. For example, you can send a special offer only to people who clicked your last email or only to customers who purchased something recently. Now let's move to marketing automation. This is really one of the most powerful parts of Brevo. Marketing automation means your emails or messages are sent automatically based on actions taken by your customer. For example, when someone signs up on your site, you might want to send them a welcome email instantly, then a helpful message a few days later, and a discount email after a week. Instead of sending these manually, Brevo lets you create a workflow that handles everything for you. Once you build it, the automation runs on its own for every new subscriber. You can also set up abandoned cart reminders. So if someone adds something to their cart but does not complete the checkout, Brevo knows and will send them a reminder automatically, which can bring back lost sales. Brevo also supports multi-channel communication. Many platforms focus only on email, but Brevo gives you SMS, WhatsApp messaging, and live chat as well. This is important because not every customer checks email. Some respond better to text messages. Some prefer WhatsApp. And if a customer ignores your email, you can send them an SMS reminder. If your business uses WhatsApp to talk to customers, you can send promotions there too. And don't forget the conversations feature. You can add a chat widget to your website so that visitors can talk to you instantly. All of these tools living in one place make Brevo a very convenient option. Next, let's talk about the CRM feature. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Basically stores all of your customer and subscriber information. Brevo's CRM lets you create lists, update details, add notes, track interactions, and organize contacts into groups. You can also build a sales pipeline with stages like new lead, contacted, follow-up, and closed. You can move leads from one stage to another as you work with them. Many CRMs cost a lot of money, so having one already included inside of Brevo is a big advantage for small businesses that want to stay organized. Another important thing Brevo focuses on is deliverability. Now, deliverability means how often your emails land in the inbox instead of the spam folder. Brevo manages its own email sending system, which helps improve deliverability. They also allow you to set up SPF and DKIM, which help email providers trust your domain. This is important because your email marketing is only useful if the emails actually reach your audience. Now that we've talked about performance, let's move over to the pricing side and see how Brevo charges for its plans. This is a big piece of the pie. Brevo offers 4 plans. The starter plan begins at around $8 a month for 5,000 emails. The standard plan starts at around $16 a month and includes features like A/B testing and more advanced reports. The professional plan starts at around $449 a month for high volume sending and features like phone support and dedicated IPs. And there's also an enterprise plan for very large businesses which comes with custom pricing. Now, that pricing is clear. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages of Brevo is how easy it is to use. The dashboard is simple, everything is labeled clearly, and beginners can set up their first campaign without feeling confused. Another strong point is that Brevo offers a lot of tools in one place, such as email, SMS, WhatsApp, live chat, and a built-in CRM. This makes it cost-friendly because you don't need to pay for separate tools. The automation features are also a major plus because they let you create smooth customer journeys without doing things manually. Overall, the platform gives small and medium businesses a complete communication setup that is both efficient and affordable. Now, on the downside, Brevo may feel limited for businesses that need very advanced features. The design options inside the email editor are good, but not as flexible as some high end platforms. The free plan also has some restrictions like daily sending limits, which may not work for fast growing businesses. Another thing to keep in mind is that the professional plan can get expensive if you need higher volume sending or dedicated support. While Brevo is great for most beginners and small teams, very large companies or power users might find some features less advanced than expected. At this point in the review, you might be wondering if Brevo is the right platform for you. It is a strong choice for small business owners, freelancers, creators, coaches, service based businesses, and e commerce stores that want an easy and affordable way to manage all their communication in one place. If you want to send email campaigns, set up simple automations, and keep your customer information organized without learning anything technical, Brevo will feel very comfortable from day one. Since I've been using Brevo for a long time, I can tell you from professional experience that it is absolutely worth trying. I strongly recommend it. And if you want to get started with Brevo, make sure you use the link below. It gives you 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months. Also unlocks a full Brevo course that teaches you how to use the platform step by step. All right, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this review helped you understand how Brevo works and whether it is the right choice for you. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.